All right, let's get right into it. So you have an MP3 file. We're trying to import it into Adobe Premiere, but for whatever reason, when we try dragging it in, it's not working. You try dragging it in, it's not working. You try doing it through here, import, and it still won't work. And you try going it up here, import, it's still not working. And we look at our file, it is an MP3 because it says .mp3. And we can double check that by right clicking on it and then going to show more options, and then we go to properties. It says .mp3. Everything's pointing towards the file being an MP3, but why is it not letting us import the file? I honestly don't know, but what I can tell you is how to fix that. And to do that, we're gonna have you go to this website right here. This website is online-audio-converter.com. I'll put the link to this website in the description of the video. One thing I love about this website is it's 100% free, and also, as you can notice, there's no ads. Like, the website is literally no ads. And on top of that, you can import files from your Google Drive, Dropbox, or even a URL website, which is just pretty awesome. This is one of the reasons why I love this one. There's a lot of other audio converters that you can use, but I prefer using this one. You can just click on open file and locate wherever your file is saved and then import it through that way. But in our case, I prefer to just click and drag into here, and then it will load our audio. And then once it's loaded, it will show us how long the audio is and all the details of the audio. Once that's done, we're going to choose MP3. You're also welcome to choose WAV if you wanted to, because WAV will also work fine with Adobe Premiere. But in this case, we're going to stick with MP3. And if you're working with an audio that the quality isn't the best, I would choose best option in here. But in our case, the audio is perfectly fine. There's no issue, so we'll just stick with the standard. You can also edit the track and the title and all that stuff, information, but we're not going to worry about that. We'll just click convert and then let the website do its thing. And once it's done, you can again save it into your Google Drive, Dropbox, or whatever. But in our case, we'll just download this, okay? You can download, and then we're going to actually save it back into where the one that we're trying to fix is saved. You'll also notice that it will include the name of the website within your new file. In our case, we'll just leave it as it is, and it's MP3. We're good to go. So save, and then go to wherever you saved it, and then try importing it again. As you can see, this is the one that we were trying to import. It's still not working. This is the one that we just fixed it because it has the name of the website. We'll just click and drag. Boom, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so now this one doesn't work, this one does work. One other thing that I heard some people were having issues with is, like, if the name of the song has an emoji, for whatever reason, I've heard some people it doesn't work for you, like you will not be able to import the file. If that's your case, you can try removing the emoji out of the title of your song or your audio and then try importing it that way. Hopefully that will also help you. But if this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up, and also comment below and let me know that it did help you. If for whatever reason none of this worked for you, please just kindly comment saying that this did not work for me, and I will try to look into other ways for you to get this working for you. With that being said, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up, so that way YouTube can show this video to more people who are having the same issue that you were having. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one. Subscribe for more tech tutorials like this, or even tech reviews, unboxings, anything related to tech. I do this on this channel, so subscribe. Peace out.